Hey there! Welcome to another video where we tackle a common problem that many Windows users encounter. So, let's dive into the issue at hand. Today, a user experienced a hiccup during a Windows update. After receiving the update KB5044285, their system attempted to install it but ultimately failed, resulting in a rollback. Frustrating, right? But fear not. We're here to solve this problem together. In finding a solution to this update dilemma, the user discovered that disabling Secure Boot from the BIOS did the trick. By taking this simple step, they were able to successfully install the update that was causing them headaches. It just goes to show that sometimes the solution to a technical problem can be as straightforward as adjusting a single setting. So, to recap, the key to overcoming the update installation issue was to disable Secure Boot in the BIOS. By making this adjustment, the user was able to sidestep the roadblock that was preventing the update from being installed. And there you have it, problem solved. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found the solution helpful and that it resolves any similar update problems you may encounter in the future. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy updating!